Today, there are so many different devices you can use to protect your property. You can choose from a wide range of locks. Also, there are all kinds of security systems with alarms, surveillance cameras, motion detectors, etc. Thanks to technological advancement, you can monitor everything that's happening on your property at any time with the help of your smartphone. Besides all these technological innovations, there are a few simple tips you can follow every day to ensure your security. So, if you want to learn more about how to make your house safer, keep watching. How do I protect my home from thieves? First of all, always keep track of your keys. Pay attention to where you leave them, and make sure they're with you when you go somewhere. Keep your valuables out of sight. It's advisable not to display your most precious possessions on your windowsill. It's almost like a signal for thieves to break in. You can use residential locksmith services to install high-quality locks, or rekey your old ones. It's a good way to increase your home security. Install an alarm system with motion detectors so that each time they detect some suspicious activity, the alarm will turn on. In most cases, it will simply scare off the intruder. Some alarm systems can send a signal directly to the police or security company. Security cameras are another great option, as they act as a strong crime deterrent. Most criminals avoid houses that are equipped with cameras. Also, they'll help you monitor everything that's going on in your house, even if you're away. Thankfully, today we have plenty of options. We can choose between all kinds of locks and security systems. However, keep in mind that all these measures are more effective and dependable when they're done by a professional. Locksmith will gladly assist you in securing your home. Please don't hesitate to call us.